dangerous weather situations or other emergencies. Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnston, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Gerson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson,
now they still set Floyd and RWT.
Patrick, and Pennsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galex, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here is the latest weather synopsis. A storm system will shift northeast this morning. An upper-level disturbance will pass over the region later today. This disturbance will exit this evening and will be followed by a high pressure
Excuse me, Cat.
through Thanksgiving Day. Another upper-level disturbance. While weak high pressure lingers over the western Carolinas. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for the northwest Piedmont and foothills, including the Triad, Mount Airy, and surrounding areas.
Cool. So the V1300 failed, 262 failed. This went off. Fairly went off.
Tonight, mostly clear. Cooler with lows in the mid-30s. Northwest wind.
Cool. Alright, well that is RWT on WXL42. Reception.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard.
I guess you don't want to go off.
If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County Warning Area in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe, Watauga, and Wilkes. In Virginia, Grayson. In addition, we broadcast short-fused products for the following counties: in Virginia, Washington. In North Carolina, Alexander, Avery, Caldwell, Catawba, Davie, Iredell, Surrey, and Yadkin. And in Tennessee, Johnson. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Here are some 11 a.m. observations from our...